Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright, so I already did almost everything off camera. I'm just going to do the other eye. And nothing has changed in foundation powders. I still use the same things. And the palette I am going to be using today is the Desi and Katie Frinkation palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in, and I'll also bring you guys in a little bit closer. I am gonna take a little bit of the Scotch tape, just like that, and I am also gonna add a little bit of translucent powder to the under eye for the fallout. First shade I'm gonna go into is Churro, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that right into the crease.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one.
Now I'm gonna go in with sheens, and I'm also gonna add that to the crease, but I'm adding it with a smaller blending brush. I'm also gonna add it to the outer corner.
Walking alone on the coldest night, there's nothing I could ever say to change your mind.
Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab like a makeup remover wipe and clean out wherever I'm gonna cut the crease. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it up to there. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. This one is in the shade Eden.
I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go into the Frinkation palette again, and I am going to grab Just a Kiss, and I am going to add that to the inner corner.
To change your
Now I'm gonna go into Try Me, and I'm gonna add this to the other part of the eye.
defeated.
And now I'm just gonna go in back with Try Me and start blending these two shades together.
By the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave.
And now I'm gonna go in with Sheens, and I'm gonna take it back into that outer corner and blend it out a little. And I'm gonna go back in with that same red shade and start blending these together. And now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna do that off camera. Alright, so I already did my eyeliner, and I also put some Duo adhesive glue on my lashes, and while they dry I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess. And now I'm just gonna go in to Churro and add it to the bottom lash line. Alright, so now I am going to go in with Cheens, and I'm just gonna take a eyeliner brush, and now I'm just gonna grab some black kohl liner. So I'm gonna just put some bottom lash line mascara, and I'm also gonna add some highlight. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked palette, and I'm using the highlight from there. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Down on me.